So, I haven't posted a video in a while, and I want to give you an update on the Fusion here. We got 154,000 miles on it now, and my check engine light just came on, so we're going to try to troubleshoot that and see what might be the cause of that. So we need to put the scan tool in to check this check engine light, and there's a port on your left side. And I just have an old OBD2 scanner. We're going to plug into that, so that's right down. Right on the left side, underneath the headlight switch. So we're getting a P2196 O2 sensor stuck wrench, bank 1, sensor 1. I've never gotten that code before. One thing about this car is it seems to, every time I've been filling up lately and putting a full tank of gas in it, you can see there's a full tank there, it's hard to start. And it'll start, and then it runs fine for the tank of gas, and each time I fill it up it's giving me a hard time starting. So I don't know if this code's related to that or not, but we're going to do some searching and find out. Alright.